Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to set format of your time on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to navigate by swiping to the left. Let's swipe a few times, and if you see the car icon, let's just tap it to open settings. The settings usually starts with the assistance, but you can move to the system, the fourth option on the top, to open the system. Let's use the left menu to navigate and select here the time and date. Under time and date, you can choose set format. From the format, you can select, for example, 24 hours format, as you can see, hours and minutes. You can also select the format for AM, PM. You can select the date format. For example, right now I'm using days, months and years, but you can choose one of the following ones. For example, let me switch this format, and as you can see here, you should see 2 p.m., but if you change it to the 24-hour format, you will see the following. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.